Hello everyone! In this video, we are converting our minivan into a camper by building a super simple and solid DIY camping bed from scratch. Then we hit the road to Oklahoma to explore Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge and spend the night at Great Plains State Park. Let's get into it. We kicked things off with a trip to Home Depot to gather our supplies. Here is what we picked up: one sheet of 23 by 32 size plywood, 4 2x4s 8 feet long, a box of 3-inch drywall screws, a bottle of wood glue, and a 2-inch memory foam mattress topper for comfort. Quick tip: Home Depot offers free wood cutting. We had the plywood cut into 2 sections, each 3 feet long and 4 feet wide. This gives us 6 foot total length for the bed. From the 2x4s, we cut 8 pieces of 1 foot long, 4 pieces of 4 foot long 2x4s to serve as cross beams. Now for the assembly. We took one 4-foot section of 2x4 and attached 1 foot leg to each corner using wood glue and screws. That created one support cross member. We built 4 of these spaced evenly and placed our plywood on top. Together, they form a 6 foot long, 4 foot wide bed. That's perfect for our van, Toyota Sienna. Each plywood panel rests securely on 2 of the cross beams. We fasten them using screws for a strong and stable setup. To make space, we removed the second row seats and folded the third row into the floor. The bed platform fit perfectly. From the back of the van, we still have about 2 foot space behind the bed, which we use for storing camping gear and supplies. To block out the windows, we use a simple rope and cloth system where we slide a cotton cloth over the rope and hook it on. Simple but effective. On top of the platform, we laid down a 2-inch memory foam for sleeping. It's surprisingly comfy. We even store a full-size spare tire under the bed, along with the rest of our camping essentials. We cook with the Eureka Ignite 2-burner stove. It has 2-burner and a push-button ignition. No matches or battery needed. We use standard 1 pound propane tanks. For power, we use Bluety AC50S solar generator, a 500 watt-hour lithium battery, and multiple ports plus wireless charging on top. It can be charged via solar panels, car outlet, or wall plug. It powered our fans for over 8 hours and still had full charge in the morning. After a 3-hour drive from Dallas, we are now at Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge in Oklahoma. This is one of the oldest wildlife refuge in US established in 1901. It's home to bison, elk, longhorns, and more. We even spotted our first bison, just chilling by the roadside, wild and majestic. Next, we drove up the winding road to Mount Scott Overlook. Mount Scott rises 2,464 feet and gives you sweeping views of the refuge and surrounding plains. From up here, we could see rocky outcrops, rolling hills, and even a few buffalo in distance. A truly unforgettable view. Just 40 minutes from Mount Scott, we pulled into Great Plains State Park and set up camp at Site 20. The park sits on the southern shores of Tom Steed Lake, a reservoir built in 1975. It's popular for boating, hiking, and bird watching. We had pad thai for dinner with a spectacular sunset over the lake as our backdrop. It's a beautiful morning in Oklahoma. The weather turned out wild at night, lightning, strong winds, and rain. But our setup stayed safe and dry. We woke up to a gorgeous view of Tom Steed Lake, calm water, clear skies, and Wichita mountains in the distance. Now, a quick walkthrough of our campsite. We stayed at Mountain Shade Campground, Site 20. Here, we have water and electric hookups. That's a huge tree for shade during summer months. There is also a picnic table, a fire pit, and a grill. Right behind the site is lake access. Just a short stroll to the water edge. The restroom was directly across from us. Super convenient. The campground was half full but very quiet. No noise, no issues, just a peaceful evening and morning surrounded by nature. Here is a final look of Mountain Shade Campground at Great Plains State Park in Oklahoma. We had an amazing time building our camper bed and exploring Oklahoma's natural beauty. Now it's time to pack up and head back to Dallas. Recharged, inspired, and ready for the next adventure. Until next time, happy camping!